Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change your Microsoft account password. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up any type of browser you have on your PC, and then what you need to do is open Microsoft.com. After you open Microsoft.com, sign into your account and you will see this type of interface. Now, to change your password, you can see your profile on the top right hand side. Just go ahead and click on it and click on My Microsoft Account. As soon as you click on it, you will be headed to another page. The next thing you want to do is click on Security. So on the left hand side panel of your screen, right below Devices is something called Security. Just go ahead and click on Security, and you might have to write in your password or authenticate yourself to make sure that this person is really you. So you can now see that the authentication process is already done. The next thing you want to do is click on Change Password, which you see right here. So the first step is to go to Microsoft.com. The second step is to click on your profile. The third step is to click on My Microsoft Account. And the fourth step is to click on Security. And the final step is to click on Change Password. So as soon as you click on Change Password, this page will load up. The next thing you want to do is write down your current password to your Microsoft account. After you write it, make sure that it is correct, otherwise you cannot change your password. So after you have written down your current password, go to the next box and write down a new password for yourself. Make sure that this password is different from the previous password you have set. Go ahead and recheck it and then re-enter the password once again on the box down below. So check this password once again and make sure both of them matches. So after you're done, just go ahead and click Save. You must also note that this password will be changed and it will be over, and you can see that you will be logged out of your account in all of the devices. What you need to do now is write down the new password which you just set and log into your account. Go ahead and check your password once, and if it is correct, just go ahead and click on Sign In. As soon as you click on Sign In, you will now successfully be signed in to your Microsoft account. I hope this video about how you can change your Microsoft account password was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.